Sam, can we talk for a bit?
Yes, sure. What is it that you want to talk to me about?
I have a problem with my furnace, and I am worried that it will one day blow up on me. You see, it has been making these strange sounds for a week now and I don't know what I can do to fix it.
Well, first of all, I think you'll need to diagnose the problem, don't you think? And if you could not diagnose it, then wouldn't it be better to call in some professionals?
Yes, I know that, but I was wondering if you could give me an idea of what the problem might be with it.
Oh, well, there could be a number of problems. If you're hearing a banging sound, then it can be anything from a loose blower motor to a buildup of gas.
Really?
Yes, and it can get worse. If gas flow starts before the main flow is ignited by the pilot light, it will basically produce a small explosion, so be sure you get it checked as soon as possible.
Man, you are scaring me. I really want to go home right now, and call in the emergency gas service, so they can take a closer look at it.
You don't need to be this alarmed. It's not like it will explode in your face, but I do admit that you need a professional to come and take a look at it, as soon as possible.
Do you have any idea if these services are expensive? Because I don't really have too much money on me. My girlfriend spent it all on Twinkies this morning.
I have no idea about that, but I can tell you that your girlfriend is not a keeper.
As in football?
Yeah,